I am submitting project 6, which is class 14 of PIEC bootcamp. And this is the quiz. When you click the begin, it will show the score 0 and total number of questions. What name did Tom Hanks give to his volleyball companion in film Castaway? So my answer is wrong, so it's going red. Next question, if I will attempt. Next question. So whenever I will attempt correct answer, it will give me the score. So how many plays in Shakespeare generally considered to have written? I think 57. Because general knowledge we just took from the API from the book of Sir Ziyad he gave from class 14, and we are using this project 6 quiz app with React and TypeScript, and database we are using from this how to build quiz app with using React. So I'm following this, and here we have the links also. So this quiz app we have created, and this is my quiz. Now, question number 6. Question number 7. When was the iPhone released? It was in 2014. Question number 8. The LS3 engine is how many cubic inches? So when you will finish, who won the UEFA Champions League? Real Madrid. Question 3. Correct. What is the French word of fish? Fish. Total 3 questions I have given. Correct. Total 10 questions. Finished. Thank you very much.